Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be teaching you how to do a 1 balloon pirate sword. Alright, so we're just gonna need one 260 balloon inflated to around this length. Just a little bit of excess. Let's start off with the nozzle part over here. First off, I'm gonna do a bubble. So one hand pinch, other hand twist. Like this. Next, we're going to be doing a loop. So the loop is very simple. Just going to fold the balloon in half, like this. So don't do it too small, like this, or too big, like this. Because we're just going to be roughly a small gap over here. I'm going to pinch everything with one hand, other hand, twist. When we're done with this, we're going to decorate this part over here. We're going to do 5 bubbles. So pinch and twist. So for these bubbles, we're going to be doing more twists. You can see. I'm twisting them 10 times around, 10 times to 15 times. So your pinky to hold on to the first bubble, don't let go. You can see my pinky over here. I'm holding on to it. Alright. So second bubble. Bubble, and if it's too far for you to reach, you can fold it down, pinch, fourth bubble, and fifth bubble. Alright, so you can see I'm still holding on to my pinky, and my other hand I'm holding on to the last bubble over here. The other hand, I'm going to carefully reach for the end. You can see I'm still holding on to the first bubble, I'm not letting go, and this is considered the last bubble. So carefully move on to the bottom. So open a small opening and slot through this bubble, through the loop. So once you slot through in, you should be able to hold it like this, so you can be more free with your hands. Just slide through. And just leave a handle over here for the kids to hold. Alright, so now we are almost done. We just need to straighten the sword over here. Just need to bend the opposite direction, bit by bit. Slowly shape it until it's relatively straight. Alright. And this is something little that I like to do. I take this nozzle over here, I slot it into the bottom, and I pull it out through here. Just slot it in, pull through the bottom, you can see. And I tug it a little. Alright. Then I take this nozzle and I wrap it around the top bubble. I just take this nozzle and I hide it inside the loop. So you can see it looks a lot more cleaner. Alright, so that is how you do a simple 1 balloon pirate sword. Alright, thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. And if you wish to learn more tutorial, please subscribe to my channel. Goodbye.